Hollywood Silver Screen presents Three Idiots. In year 1999, students Farhan Qureshi and Raju Rastogi are accepted into the prestigious Imperial College of Engineering at Delhi, but they struggle to compete within its academic culture. Farhan is passionate about wildlife photography but reluctantly chose to join engineering in order to appease his father, while Raju is desperately in need of a career that will extricate his family from poverty. Their roommate, the eccentric and charismatic Ranchod Das Shamal Das Chanchad, aka Rancho, who is genuinely passionate about engineering, gives unorthodox answers in class and frequently clashes with the college director, Viru Sahasrabuddhi, also known as Virus, since he believes that students should enjoy what they learn despite their strict teaching model. When a student named Joy Lobo commits suicide after failing to meet a project deadline and being denied graduation by Virus, Rancho confronts Virus about the pressure placed on the students to succeed. But his rebellious behavior puts a strain on Farhan and Raju's relationship with their own families. Raju attempts to distance himself from Rancho, but when Raju's paralyzed father needs a medical emergency, Rancho saves his life by taking him to hospital with the help of Virus' youngest daughter, Pia, who begins to fall in love with Rancho. At the end of the year, Rancho is shown to have topped the dean's list despite his disdain for its education system, while Farhan and Raju are at the bottom of the rankings. 3 years then pass as the three continue their college lives with Rancho consistently topping and Farhan and Raju consistently trailing behind. One night in their final year, while severely drunk, the trio have a discussion where Rancho chides Farhan for abandoning his passion for photography and Raju for having developed a fear of failure. But when the two bet Rancho to propose to Pia in exchange for giving up their own fears, they decide to break into Virus's house, where Rancho confesses his feeling to Pia and other to urinate on his property. Virus spots Raju amidst their escape and tells him he will be thrown out of the campus unless he helps him expel Rancho. A distraught Raju attempts suicide but gradually recovers due to the committed care from Rancho and his friends. With a newfound perspective of his life, Raju successfully applies for a job while Farhan receives an internship offer from his favorite photographer Andre Istavan and successfully gets his father's approval. An infuriated Virus attempts to sabotage Raju's chance of success by setting to hold an unfairly difficult exam. With Pia's help, Rancho and Farhan break into his office to steal the exam papers, and though Raju refuses to cheat, Virus catches and expels them. Pia confronts her father over her brother's suicide, which was prompted by similar pressure placed on him by Virus to become an engineer at the expense of his own ambitions. That night, during a rainstorm that causes widespread flooding and power outages, Virus's old daughter, Muna, who is pregnant, goes into labor. Unable to drive to hospital, Rancho and other students use their engineering knowledge to quickly modify a vacuum cleaner into a vent house and deliver the baby with the help of Pia through a webcam. A grateful Virus acknowledges Rancho as an extraordinary student and revokes the expulsions. On graduation day, Rancho promptly disappears and is never seen by his friends again. 5 years later, my friends, at present day, Raju, now a wealthy businessman, and Farhan, a photographer, are both successful in their chosen careers. Their former classmate and academic rival, Chatur, now a wealthy scientist and a vice president of an American company, wants to meet Rancho again for setting a bet he had made 10 years prior after being humiliated in a prank where Rancho sabotaged his teacher's day speech, stating that he would be more successful than him. He calls them, claiming to know Rancho's whereabouts in Shimla, and the three of them head out to find him. Upon arrival, they find a different man living by Rancho's name and degree. Upon confrontation, the man explains that the Rancho they knew was actually Chote, his family's orphaned servant boy, who was tasked with completing his entire education for him all the way through using his identity. He tells them Chote was forced to cut off all contact with his friends as a part of the deal he made with Chanchad family and gives them his actual address in Ladakh. Farhan and Raju then decide to bring Pia along with them. Chatur protests the detour as it would jeopardize his planned meeting with his illustrious client Funsuk Wangdu, a renowned scientist and businessman. But the duo goes ahead with their decision and crashes Pia's soon to be wedding. With no love lost for Rancho and excitement in the hope of seeing him again, Pia flees from her own ceremony and joins them. In Ladakh, the group finds a thriving engineering college in the mountain for local children and encounter an old millimeter who explains that Rancho has kept up to date with their careers soon after they finally find and embrace him. Rancho admits he is still in love with Pia, as well as the pair share a kiss. Chatur assumes that Rancho is a lovely school teacher and gloats at having won his bet, but Rancho reveals his real name to be Funsuk Wangdu, the successful client Chatur has been after. The three friends happily celebrate their reunion and laugh as they run away from the bewildered Chatur. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I will see you in the next Hindi movie very soon. Bye bye.